Hello, dear friends, and a warm welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a simple yet practical kitchen hack that I swear by. Every few days I pour a few drops of citrusy essential oil, like grapefruit, onto my kitchen sponge. The reason is very simple yet very practical. First thing that comes to mind is the aroma, and that's absolutely right. Sprinkling your kitchen sponge with essential oil helps to get rid of the unpleasant smells. I really love how it smells now. The fresh aroma of grapefruit. But there is another reason for doing so, and it is even more practical. When essential oils are applied to the sponge, they release antimicrobial properties that actively combat bacteria lingering on its surface. This simple step helps ensure a cleaner and more hygienic kitchen environment, which is truly marvelous, isn't it? Another trick I use is to cut a little shape in the middle of the sponge. It may seem strange, but I will show you what to do with it. It's super practical. Look, this allows me to easily hang it on the faucet of the sink after use, allowing excess water to drip down and keeping the sponge dry. This prevents the growth of bacteria and extends the lifespan of the sponge. And here's a bonus tip. When the sponge gets too old, I simply cut it in half. My husband's favorite joke is, does it grow back after you cut it? This not only ensures that I'm not using it for kitchen needs anymore, but also gives me 2 sponges instead of 1. I use them for cleaning other parts of the house, which helps me reduce the amount of paper towels I buy. It not only saves money, but also promotes the principles of reduce, reuse, and recycle, which is my favorite part. We are not all about saving, right? Thank you for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Remember, even small actions like these can make a positive impact on our world. Stay tuned for more practical tips and tricks.